fucking did it!
Oh god!
Oh, we gotta look for fucking prisoners.
Can we like use thermite or some shit?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nani the fuck?
Where's Court?
I don't want to die.
Yeah, you've already died like 6 times, dude. It's okay.
Where the fuck is
I don't
Court,
want to
man?
survive.
Where the fuck is that place?
Oh, I just want to die.
We shall fight them on the beaches!
Oh, it's not over yet. Oh,
It's never ogre.
I want to die.
Guys, we gotta hold it, god damn it.
we're not. No.
I want to die. I just want to die.
When there is not a single enemy motherfucker in this town.
Oh, it's a Bradley. It's a Bradley. It's coming up.
Nani!
Oh, I guess that means that bringing the MI8 back is a bit of a moot point, isn't it?
Fuck!
Oh no.
That took all of about 3 seconds. Oh no!
I had the RPG out. I was like, I'm gonna dick this motherfucker.
Oh,
but he
it's
did
right down the road from me. I'm amazed I didn't get fucking blasted from
There's a Humpty too.
No, I wanna like fucking like Halo jump on his
Hey,
Bradley.
make sure back glass clear. You should get back in the building. Back glass clear. I'm gonna fuck this dude. Probably not. This thing probably gonna do shit.
Yeah, it's fine.
I fucking lied. Crew, dismount. Get fucked, kiddo.
Did we just get a Bradley?
Fuck
No.
your piece of shit, Bradley. Fuck off.
Hey, stay
No,
away,
no,
stay away, stay away.
Oh,
Back
God.
up, back
Oh,
up, back up,
fuck,
back
oh,
up,
fuck,
back
oh,
up,
fuck,
back
oh,
up.
up. Get way
Back
the
up.
fuck back. Get
Back
way the
up,
fuck
back
back.
up, back up, back up.
That's a man Humvee. Fuck that. Do not run down the road to the west.
Holy shit, I'm about to kick this Humpy so hard. I'm about to fuck this Humpy long thing style. You guys would like this.
Since I just died.
Zephyr, what the fuck was that?
What the fuck?
Gunner's down.
What
Gunner's
was
down.
that?
The gunner's down. Don't worry. Hey, sweet cheeks.
Privyet Amerikanski.
Get dick, fucker. I see on the map he's up the road to the east, I think.
Oh shit.
Or he's
Yeah,
somewhere,
no,
somewhere
he's...
to the east. He hit me.
I see him.
This has got to be the last fucker.
Sam, there's one shooting at me right now.
I know, he's got to be the last fucking one.
I think I killed him.
I'm bandaging. I got hit in the fucking arm. So fucking fucked. Fuck this fucking shit fucking town.
Hey, we got it. We got it.
Oh, fuck. Yes. Alright, fucking respawn. Holy shit.
Yep. Yeet, skeet, beat my meat. As...
Eat my meat.